starting out with NuWave Oven recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up sausage patties from frozen in the Phillips Air Fryer XXL. So we can see how quick this knocks out some sausage patties from frozen, and we'll get started on cooking those frozen sausage patties right now. Alright, so we have our Phillips Avance line XXL air fryer. We got some frozen sausage. So I'm going to pop it open. I'm going to open up my sausage here. And I'm going to get just 2 of these sausage patties out for this cook. So I'm going to put 1 in there and 2 in there and close it up. And for the cook, turning the air fryer on, it's on the frozen preset. I'm going to up the temperature to 400 degrees. I'm going to adjust the time up to 12 minutes, no preheating. I'm going to go ahead and press in to start, and I'll bring you back in just 12 minutes. Okay, so 11 minutes have passed. I'm getting smoke billowing. I think we may already be done after maybe even 10 minutes. I'm going to just turn it off and just test the temperature now on my instant read thermometer. We're at 177, and this one's at 166. So this one is, oh no, it's at hotter temperature. Let me get in a deeper. No, that's at 158. So we're getting some smoke coming, but they need that extra minute. Usually I do 12 and they're fine. So I'll just let it go those final seconds. I'm just going to do 1 minute. Really just 1 minute at 400 degrees. Because when I do 12 minutes, they always turn out nice and hot, but I'm starting to get some smoke billowing, so I wanted to check. So I'm going to give it the rest of that 60 seconds. Alright, so we're coming into the completion of the 12 full minutes, which will get us just at the temperature, you know, over that 170 or so that we want to be at. So let's get these on out. Now we'll test temperature. Still a little warm. Still, well, it went to 170 for a moment, and then it's kind of back and forthish. All right, there we go. See, when we kind of get the thermometer not going too deep, we see we're at 196, and we see we're at 180s. When we don't go too deep, I think I'm going too deep sometimes with my checks into the meat because it's thin meat. But this thermometer is made to be able to go shallow and get an instant read. But if we go too deep, we're going through our meat and we're getting a temperature below it. And I can tell I'm kind of hitting the grate a little when I press too far in. So I'm definitely feeling, you know, I think at 11 we had some points where we were hitting over the 175 mark, but it didn't seem as certain to me that we were hitting over the 175 mark everywhere I was testing at 11 minutes. So just to be safe with the sausage, I'm going to stick with going 12 minutes. You can leave a comment if you feel that maybe you want to just go 11 or something, or how far you want to go, but this is 12 minutes at 400 degrees, which is pretty repeatably reliable for this air fryer. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut a piece off there. And I will also mention that I've gone like 15 minutes at 400, and they get really overcooked at 15 minutes. So keep it at about 12 and 400 degrees, and it all seems to go well. I'm going to get the camera moved around, and we'll do a taste test of this sausage from frozen in the Phillips Air Fryer XXL. Alright, our sausage from frozen. Let's do a taste. Okay, so turned out well. You can get your sausage done, you know, pretty quick for your breakfast or whatever meal you want some sausage from frozen for. And so you can get this, other heating instructions, recipes, superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you ever want to come to this YouTube channel, you can just go to waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram also at Wave Oven Recipes. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.